chose the direction of working with people who have mental illness and addiction disorders because I volunteered at Northampton State Hospital many years ago, probably too many to think of right now, and I was so appalled by the conditions I saw there that I decided to really devote myself to changing those circumstances. Began working with some lawyers to sue the state and bring about change in that system, and became very committed to the idea of social change, improving people's lives, and bringing hope and recovery to people through high-quality services in the community. We bring hope to people because we try and provide the highest quality services and care that we can, and by showing them and helping them, we're really working with them to understand that treatment can impact their lives, can help them, that they can recover, that the situation they're in is not hopeless, and that they do have a future that allows them to have very productive and enjoyable lives in the community. The promise of recovery is important because we all need to know that if we're faced with some kind of challenge, that there's a way to overcome it or to deal with it in some way that allows us to lead a life that has hope, that has vision, that gives us the belief that we can lead a life like everybody else. And if you can't recover from your illness or from your challenges, then it's pretty hard to have a lot of hope related to that.